We shall begin with the blessing of the Magellan's Cross to be officiated by Bishop Jose Palma.
Sign of Magellan's Cross, let us venerate Christ, the preeminent sign of His mercy, hearts in the celebration, so that we may find in it protection and strength. May they shoulder their own cross. He humbled himself for our sakes. May you follow his
who, though he was in the form of God,
Basilica Minore del Santo Niño de Cebu. We also have the exhibit of 21 April 1521. The restoration of Benigno S. Aquino III, President, Republic of the Philippines. Welcome everyone on this afternoon's activity. We have the very Reverend
Mga kababayan, ang Pangulo...
Magandang hapon po, maupo tayo lahat. Ng turismo para sa Cebu. Malinaw ring nakasaad po na lagi, pinapatupad natin sa ating mga programa ang prinsipyo na tinatawag. Mga boss, lalo na sa inyong mga pinakmamahal po Cebuano, totoo, sa inyo, salamat, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you very much, His Excellency Benigno S. Aquino III.